Hello creative kids, welcome back. In this video, we'll be learning how to draw an adorable rabbit flying high in the sky on a propeller plane. Don't worry if you've never drawn before. I'll be here every step of the way to guide you through it, making it super easy and fun. Grab your pencils, paper, and all your colorful markers because we're about to take flight into a world of creativity. So are you ready to hop into action? Let's get started and create our very own flying bunny masterpiece. Don't forget, you can always pause if you feel you're falling behind. Don't worry, no one will know. Did you know that rabbits can actually fly on airplanes? When they travel, they often get to ride in special pet carriers. In fact, some airlines even have special rules to make sure bunnies are safe and comfy while flying. So, if you ever see a rabbit on a plane, it might just be this one. Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Feel free to use any color palette that inspires you, whether it's bold and bright or soft and subtle. Make it uniquely yours and let your creativity shine. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, Check out these other videos on the screen right now for more awesome content. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.